Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Yes.
You said that Krishna has no limbs, no eyes, no form that we can comprehend. How then are we to understand the form of Krishna that's given to us in the pictures and the verses?
Yes, that I have explained. That you have to simply serve him, then he will reveal. You cannot understand Krishna by your ascending process. You have to serve Krishna and Krishna will reveal to you. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, I will find in the 10th chapter. Tesam ivanukampartham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashami atmabhavastha jnanadipena bhasa. Those who are always engaged in my service, just to show them a special favor. Tesam ivanukampartham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashami. I vanquish all kinds of darkness of ignorance by the light of knowledge. So, Krishna is within you. And when you are sincerely searching after Krishna by the devotional process, as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, I will find in the 18th chapter, Bhaktya Mama Vijanat. One can understand me simply by this devotional process. Bhaktya. And what is bhakti? A bhakti is this, Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu, simply hearing and chanting about Vishnu. This is the beginning of bhakti. So if you simply hear, sincerely and submissively, then you will understand Krishna. Krishna will reveal to you. Savanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, Dasam. There are different 9 kinds of varieties. So, Bandhanam, offering prayers, that is also bhakti. Savanam, to hear about it, just like we are hearing about Krishna from this Bhagavad Gita. Chanting about his glory, Hare Krishna. This is the beginning. Savanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu. Vishnu means everything is Vishnu. The meditation is Vishnu. The bhakti is Vishnu. Not without Vishnu. And Krishna is the original form of Vishnu. Krishna is the Bhagavan Sam. The original form of the Supreme Personality of God. So, if we follow this process, then we will be able to understand without any doubt. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.